Changing registered office address or principal place of business using ASIC Form 484. Every Australian company must keep ASIC informed of key changes, including updating the registered office address. To make this change official, companies need to submit Form 484. Section 1. What is the registered office address or principal place of business? The registered office address is the location where a company receives official correspondence and legal notices from ASIC or other regulatory bodies. It can be different from the company's main business address, but it must be in Australia and accessible during business hours. The principal place of business is the primary location where a company conducts its day-to-day operations, distinct from its registered office. Section 2. When to lodge Form 484. If your company moves to a new registered office, changes the accessibility hours, or relocates to a different state or territory, you are required to notify ASIC using Form 484 within 28 days of the change. Section 3. How to lodge Form 484. Most companies submit Form 484 online using ASIC Connect. Steps 1. Select Change to Registered Office or Principal Place of Business to provide the new address and updated hours, if applicable. 3. Ensure the new office is accessible during business hours. Form must be lodged within 28 days to avoid penalties. Failing to notify ASIC within 28 days can result in late fees starting at $96 with potential penalties for non-compliance. To avoid delays and ensure your address change is processed correctly, Company Changes offers expert assistance with ASIC forms. Contact us today, 296844199, sales@companychanges.com.au. Let us handle your ASIC compliance so you can focus on your business. Company Changes makes compliance simple.